Amchaino Swkangwi Twlangnani Dalbidal Jwngjal tei Phainai Salni Samungbwtangrokno twiwi Tangsalo kaisa meeting Khlaijakha Salni Pandao Manjakha MDC Utpal Debbarma Mungiakami Sub-zonal Rajesh Debbarmano Khobwi tei Kubun Adongrok. Asolo Sub-zonal tei Tuimadu Sub-zonal ni officers chairman tei VC ni chairman rono twiwi Khlaijakha meeting Salni Pandao Manjakha MDC Utpal Debbarma Mungiakami Sub-zonal Rajesh Debbarma 29 Krishnapur block Asokphang Mahendra Debbarma 29 block Kalyanpur block Asokphang Gorok Debbarmano Khobwi tei Kubun Adongrok. Salni Pandao koksanani thangai MDC Utpal Debbarma sakha Pandani bisingtui bisani action plan no twiwi Khlaijakha koklam hanai saltam salbreni yagulono asalo bisani Swkangni samungseng sawe rojaknai hanai.
One scope remaining very Amchaino Samungbwtangrokno Chini man scheduling mote Moses agini the Samuni continuity sido Chini Mungia Sub-zonal tei more Sub-zonal officers tei chairmen the Bebak BC chairman and the Fox at that time because last meeting was very clearly DM zone salda action plan dana ni initially sen block ni bisin dik like tabo sen sub-zonal bisin dik like ni thanto abona dun discuss ni bagi tini meeting and saltam salbri ni bisin ono respective BC chairman ro borni kamyo tam tamona aboro nomor decide tai borok total play sub-zonal basically review nai and abo block by totally different nai ati hete and the permissible BBG Ramjini basically the permissible Samungbwtangrokno as Samungbwtangrokno list bangwala ya fere
Khwainai simi block ni kokthum Chini Khorang